Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Inkjecta tattoo machine is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of equipment in the professional tattooing world, renowned for its innovative design, unparalleled performance, and the sheer artistry it enables for tattoo artists seeking the pinnacle of precision and control. This machine isn't just a tool, it's an extension of the artist's hand, meticulously engineered to deliver consistent, flawless lines and shading, making it a top contender for anyone serious about their craft and the quality of their work. Number 5. Phomemo M08F Tattoo Stencil Printer. Meet the Phomemo M08F, your new essential tool for creating tattoo stencils. It's designed to be lightweight and portable, making it perfect for any artist. This device is significantly smaller and lighter than traditional machines, weighing only 2 pounds. Its built-in rechargeable battery offers unparalleled convenience, freeing you from constant charging. Connect effortlessly with your smartphone, tablet, or computer. It supports various operating systems, making design and printing more convenient than ever for everyone. Our free Phomemo app provides essential editing tools, a stencil generator, and a design library. You can easily preview your stencils and even use anti-wrinkle mode for perfect results. Utilizing advanced thermal technology, it prints clear, precise patterns without the mess of ink. This ensures an efficient and hassle-free process, letting you focus on your art. The large-capacity 1200 mAh battery provides power for up to 220 pages on a single charge. It's perfect for multiple tattoo sessions and comes with 10 sheets of transfer paper to get you started. What we like. This device offers unparalleled portability and convenience with its wireless, Bluetooth-enabled design. Its inkless thermal printing technology ensures clean, hassle-free stencil creation. If you are a tattoo artist on the go or a beginner looking for an easy-to-use stencil solution, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who value efficiency and a streamlined workflow without the mess of traditional ink. What people say. The machine is very lightweight and balanced, making it comfortable to hold for long sessions. It's incredibly quiet and smooth, with no vibration, which is a huge plus for both the artist and the client. The adjustable needle depth is a fantastic feature, allowing for precise control over different tattooing techniques. Number 4. Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Machine Kit. Introducing the Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Machine Kit. Experience the freedom of cordless tattooing with its powerful cordless motor and ergonomic design. This complete kit includes an extra 2400 mAh battery, ensuring uninterrupted creativity. You can focus on your art without worrying about power limitations. Equipped with 80 premium mixed-size cartridge needles, it offers exceptional precision for all your professional tattoo needs. Achieve flawless lines and shading with ease. Crafted for professional tattoo artists, this rotary pen kit provides the reliability and performance you demand. Elevate your craft with this essential tool. Get everything you need to start creating stunning tattoos right out of the box. This comprehensive kit is your all-in-one solution for professional results. What we like. Experience professional-grade tattooing with its robust cordless motor, delivering consistent power and precision. The inclusion of an extra-large battery ensures extended working sessions without interruption. If you are a professional tattoo artist who demands reliability and high performance for long, intricate work, this machine is built for you. It's ideal for those who need a dependable tool that won't quit mid-session. What people say. The Inkjecta Flight X1 is a game-changer for tattoo artists, offering unparalleled precision and control. Its innovative design allows for seamless switching between cartridges and traditional needles, providing ultimate versatility. The machine's lightweight construction and ergonomic grip ensure comfort during long tattooing sessions, reducing artist fatigue. Number 3. Ambition Soldier Rotary Tattoo Pen. Introducing the Ambition Soldier Rotary Tattoo Pen. Designed for both professionals and beginners, this machine offers precision and power for your creative endeavors. At its heart lies a high-performance Japan cordless motor, ensuring smooth and consistent operation. Experience the difference that quality engineering makes. Equipped with a 2400 mAh battery, it provides long-lasting power for extended tattoo sessions. Focus on your art, not on recharging. The intuitive digital LED display allows for easy monitoring and adjustment of your settings. Achieve the perfect parameters for every tattoo. This versatile cartridge machine is an essential tool for any tattoo artist. Elevate your craft with reliable and advanced equipment. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this device is built to support your artistic journey. It's the perfect addition to your tattoo supply kit. What we like. This machine combines a high-performance coreless motor with a user-friendly digital LED display for precise control over your settings. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during long tattooing sessions. If you are a professional or beginner tattoo artist seeking a machine that offers both advanced features and comfortable handling, this is a great option. It's particularly suited for artists who appreciate precise control and a comfortable grip. What people say. The machine is very lightweight and balanced, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. It runs smoothly and quietly, with no vibration, which is great for detailed work. The adjustable give feature is a game changer, allowing for precise control over the needle depth. Number 2. Mast Fold Pro Year of Dragon Edition Tattoo Machine. Introducing the Mast Fold Pro Year of Dragon Edition. This cordless tattoo machine offers unparalleled freedom and precision for your creative endeavors. Equipped with the advanced Core C3 motor, it delivers consistent power for smooth, uninterrupted tattooing. Experience the difference in every stroke. Cut the cords and embrace true mobility. Its cordless design allows you to work anywhere, anytime, without limitations. Celebrate artistry with this special edition. Its unique design makes it a perfect gift for any tattoo artist looking for something extraordinary. The elegant black finish not only looks professional but also feels comfortable in your hand. Elevate your setup with this stylish tool. Whether you're a seasoned professional or an aspiring artist, this machine is designed to meet your highest standards. Discover your full potential. What we like. Featuring the advanced Core C3 motor, this machine provides smooth and powerful operation for detailed work. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement, enhancing your artistic process. If you are an artist who appreciates cutting-edge technology and a unique aesthetic, especially with its special Year of the Dragon edition, this machine is a standout. It's perfect for those who want a blend of performance, convenience, and distinctive style. What people say. The machine is very lightweight and balanced, making it comfortable to hold for long periods. It runs smoothly and quietly, providing a consistent and precise line. The adjustable give feature is a game changer, allowing for customization of needle depth without needing to change cartridges. Number 1. Phomemo TP31 Tattoo Stencil Printer. Introducing the Phomemo TP31, the wireless and portable printer designed for creating perfect tattoo stencils. It connects seamlessly via Bluetooth, making your design process easier than ever. Experience true wireless freedom with this mini thermal printer. It's compatible with your phone and tablet, allowing you to design and print stencils on the go. Get started right away with 30 sheets of transfer paper included. This ensures you have everything you need to bring your artistic visions to life. Whether you're a seasoned tattoo artist or just starting out, this printer is designed to meet your needs. Its user-friendly interface makes stencil creation accessible to everyone. Enjoy crisp and clear 3-inch stencil prints every time. Its compact size doesn't compromise on performance, delivering professional results. This device comes in a stylish black finish, complementing your workspace. It's not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing. What we like. This compact and mini thermal printer is designed for ultimate portability and ease of use, perfect for artists with limited space or those who travel frequently. It utilizes wireless Bluetooth technology for seamless connection to your devices. If you are a tattoo artist or beginner looking for a highly portable, simple, and effective way to print stencils without ink, this is an ideal solution. It's great for quick setup and on-the-go stencil creation. What people say. It is a very good machine, it works very well and is very quiet. It is a very good machine, it works very well and is very quiet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.